Mastering manufacturing quality control. Quality slips through the cracks when innovation outpaces control. When introducing new products to the market, what procedures does the organization implement to ensure that its design, development, testing, and manufacturing processes meet quality requirements, and how does it verify that these requirements are consistently met throughout the entire product lifecycle? When introducing new products to the market, the organization implements a robust set of procedures to ensure that its design, development, testing, and manufacturing processes meet quality requirements. This is achieved through a structured approach that encompasses the entire product lifecycle, from concept to launch and beyond. Firstly, the organization establishes a clear understanding of customer and market requirements through voice of customer (VOC) analysis, market research, and competitor benchmarking. This information is used to define the product's functional and performance requirements, as well as the quality attributes that are critical to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Next, the organization develops a comprehensive design control process, which involves a cross-functional team of experts from engineering, manufacturing, quality, and regulatory affairs. This team is responsible for designing and developing the product, including the creation of design inputs, outputs, and verification protocols. The design control process ensures that the product meets all applicable regulatory requirements, industry standards, and internal quality standards. To ensure that the design is robust and reliable, the organization conducts thorough design verification (DV) and design validation (DV) activities. DV involves evaluating the design against predetermined specifications and standards, while DV assesses the product's performance under simulated or actual operating conditions. These activities help identify and mitigate potential design flaws, reducing the risk of product failures and defects. During the development phase, the organization implements a robust testing and validation protocol, which includes a combination of physical testing, simulation, and analytical methods. This protocol is designed to verify that the product meets its intended performance, safety, and quality requirements. The testing process includes a range of activities, such as component testing, subsystem testing, and system-level testing, to ensure that all elements of the product function as intended. Once the product design is finalized, the organization develops a comprehensive manufacturing process control plan, which outlines the production processes, procedures, and controls necessary to ensure consistent product quality. This plan includes the identification of critical process parameters, key performance indicators, KPIs, and the establishment of statistical process control, SPC, methods to monitor and control process variations. To ensure that manufacturing processes are capable and stable, the organization conducts process validation (PV) activities, which involve evaluating the process's ability to produce products that meet specifications and quality requirements. PV includes activities such as process qualification, performance qualification, and continued process verification. Throughout the entire product lifecycle, the organization maintains a rigorous quality management system (QMS) that ensures consistency and compliance with quality requirements. The QMS includes procedures for document control, change management, corrective action, and continuous improvement, which are essential for maintaining product quality and preventing defects. The organization also conducts regular audits and assessments to verify that quality requirements are consistently met throughout the product lifecycle. These audits and assessments include internal audits, supplier audits, and regulatory inspections, which help identify opportunities for improvement and ensure compliance with relevant standards and regulations. Furthermore, the organization implements a closed-loop corrective action (CLCA) process to address any quality issues or defects that may arise during production. The CLCA process involves identifying the root cause of the issue, implementing corrective actions, verifying the effectiveness of the corrective actions, and continually monitoring the process to prevent recurrence. Finally, the organization maintains a culture of continuous improvement, which encourages employee involvement and engagement in quality improvement initiatives. This culture is fostered through training programs, quality awareness campaigns, and recognition and reward systems that promote quality excellence. In summary, the organization implements a structured approach to ensure that its design, development, testing, and manufacturing processes meet quality requirements throughout the entire product lifecycle. This approach involves a combination of design control, testing and validation, manufacturing process control, process validation, quality management, audits and assessments, closed-loop corrective action, and continuous improvement initiatives. By following this approach, the organization can verify that its products consistently meet customer and quality requirements, thereby ensuring customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately, business success.